All right, here it is, the Yamaha Kodiak 400. Picked it up last night. Can't believe I let you talk me into getting this thing. This thing is super rough. Look at these plastics on this. And the metal, oh boy, it's just in super rough shape. And yes, it does have a spray cap top as a gas cap. But I don't know, we got some work to do here. All right, should we get her looking good?
Yeah.
All right. All right, that's a lot better. What do you think?
It's awesome.
All right, let's take her in the backyard and take a look.
Yeah.
All right, here she is, the Kodiak 400 2000. So basically I just cleaned up all the plastics and spray painted all the metal black. I got some new stickers right there. It's pretty easy to do. Yeah, this back rack as well. Cleaned up the back. Yeah, it looks kind of close to brand new. What do you think? You like it?
Yeah.
All right, you know how to start this thing?
Yeah.
So nice about this one, it's pretty much automatic. They call it an Ultramatic. So it's really easy to drive. Here's what you do. It's in neutral right now. So turn the key. See, right there you'll see the light is on, and then it's kind of just like a car. You shift it in the gear you want. So it has electric start. It also has pull start down there. So just try the electric start. Nice. And here's the four-wheel drive. Right now it's a two-wheel drive. You just push it and it goes into four-wheel drive. So why don't you take a quick couple laps in the backyard. So you just shift it so it has reverse. Once you try reverse, you just shift it down to 1. You'll see the red light turn on. All right, pop it in reverse a little bit. Nice. And then, okay, nice. And then here you go, pop it into, so it'll be neutral. Neutral will be 1 up, back in neutral, and then 1 more up, and now it's in drive. So why don't you take a rip around the yard quick. Hey, you want to try on the dirt road a little bit?
Yeah.
All right, let's go. All right, you have fun driving this Yamaha Kodiak around?
Yeah.
I know it's a little bit big for you, but I know your mother likes driving it. She doesn't have to shift any gears or anything like that. It's real simple to do. You know, it was a fun project. I liked restoring it back to almost brand new condition. So I'm sure we'll have some nice adventures with this thing. All righty, should we do some more riding?